10.26 4K dashcam, wireless CarPlay, Android Auto car DVR, 5G, Wi-Fi, GPS navigation, rear-view camera, dashboard video recorder, equipped with powerful Core 4-core chip. This product uses a top-level 4-core chip with 14 nm and 2T computing power, allowing the device to maintain 4K image quality for the front camera and 1080p image quality for the rear camera, while achieving 3-second fast boot. In addition, it makes the entire operating system run very smoothly without delay. Other devices with the same configuration on the market can only achieve a boot speed of more than 10 seconds because they use a single core chip with dual camera recording function, a front-facing camera built in with 4K 2160p resolution plus a rear-facing camera optional with 1080p resolution with 10.26-inch touchscreen and a 170 degrees wide viewing angle with up to 8 million pixels. It achieves a true 4K 42,160p ultra-high definition resolution, enabling us to record other vehicles' license plates, road signs, and key details on the road with great clarity. Support for smart H265 intelligent encoding. Compared to H264 encoding, devices that use H265 encoding provide better image quality, smaller file sizes, and longer recording times. Supports wired and wireless CarPlay and Android Auto connection. Note: not support QA mobile phone regarding wireless Android Auto connectivity. It supports phones with Android 10 and above. For phones with Android versions below 10, only wired connectivity is supported. FM transmitter plus O audio output. Listen to music through 3 different methods. 1. After connecting CarPlay, connect your phone's Bluetooth to the car's Bluetooth and select the car's Bluetooth mode by clicking the top right corner of the music module in the preview interface to enjoy the original car audio quality. 2. Built-in dual-channel FM transmitter can be connected to the original car to enjoy the original car audio quality. Only needs to be manually connected once, and then can be automatically connected. 3. O audio output. By using an O cable to connect with the vehicle's O interface, you can directly enjoy the original sound quality of the car. Low noise, high fidelity, with 5G HC high-speed Wi-Fi equipped with built-in Wi-Fi. It can be connected to a mobile phone. You can preview real-time images to view historical records and quickly download pictures. With the latest 5G Hz technology, the video transmission speed will be faster and smoother than the traditional 2.4 GHz GPS navigation in CarPlay and Android Auto mode. The DVR can realize the GPS navigation function, and you can directly wake up the voice assistant and say your destination. It will help you plan your route, which is more convenient and safe for your drive. Note: the DVR itself does not have GPS navigation software. External GPS module which can automatic correct time display the vehicle speed and record speed coordinates and track. Then you can check the video playback in the Roadcam app. Need to choose GPS antenna set meal. Real-time reverse view support 1080p full screen reverse image, and with guideline. When reversing, the system will automatically turn on the high-definition reversing camera at the rear of the car and clearly display the state of the rear of the car on the reverse screen, so that you can accurately grasp the road conditions at the rear. The preview angle can be adjusted by sliding the left side of the screen to control the position of the guideline. With 24H parking monitoring allows you to connect dash cam to a vehicle battery source. Get constant power supply from the battery directly, so your car DVR will keep work even when ignition is off. Additional purchase of buck line is required.